Hi, I'm Tim Perrick, Marketing Director at Schneider Electric, and I'm standing in the equipment room of a commercial building. As you look around, you can see motors and pumps and controls that power an HVAC system. Research shows that motors account for 30% of the total energy used in a commercial building like this one, and 60% of the energy used in an industrial setting. With energy demand on the rise and evolving government regulations, one important area of focus is increasing efficiency for the motors that control pumps and HVAC systems.
Speed control can make the biggest impact on your motor's energy use. With speed control from variable speed drives, motors can lower energy consumption, lower CO2 emissions, and decrease mechanical stress, which can extend the life of your equipment. Depending on the type of application, pumping, ventilation, or compression, we've seen Altivar variable speed drives achieve energy savings of up to 70%.
If you compare two fluid control techniques that are commonly applied to pumps, fans, and compressors, the advantage of variable speed drive solutions is clear. In a conventional pump solution with a valve, the motor consistently runs at full power, and the flow is controlled manually by the position of the valve. This leads to poor valve efficiency and amplifies energy loss. By using a variable speed drive, you can eliminate the mechanical device and adjust the motor speed to demand. You will increase productivity while reducing energy consumption.
Altivar variable frequency drives are a key component in creating an energy management solution for both OEM machines and industrial facilities, regardless of the application. In addition to reducing energy consumption, AC drives provide integrated motor protection for greater safety, as well as integrated communication for easy diagnostics. Enclosed drives provide integrated control with enclosures to meet a variety of application requirements by including drives, contactors, and relays in a single enclosure. TSYS relays, contactors, and starters offer monitoring and control with reduced panel space and reduced energy consumption. To see potential savings on energy consumption with the installation of Altivar variable speed drives, visit Schneider Electric website and check out two web-enabled tools. The first is an energy consumption simulator that compares a conventional fan application to a variable speed drive. Adjust the level of flow by turning the wheel of the throttle of the Altivar drive to control airflow. The simulator will illustrate energy consumption for both options. Eco2 is a downloadable program also available on the Schneider Electric website. It can estimate potential annual savings, the length of return on investment, and the energy consumption with and without a drive. It can also show the most suitable Altivar variable speed drive for the installation.
The addition of speed control with a variable frequency drive provides a rapid return on investment, generally less than 24 months. Opportunities for energy savings are everywhere. Taking the first step can be as easy as looking around. Authorized Schneider Electric distributors are experts with energy management, HVAC, and pump solutions. Contact your local Schneider Electric distributor today for more information.